Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 1 and problem 2 of exercise 10.4 of 12th class maths. The first problem here is find the magnitude of A bar cross product B bar if A bar is equal to I cap minus 7j cap plus 7k cap and B bar is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Okay. Since we have to find the magnitude of A bar cross product B bar, what we have to first find is A bar cross product B bar. So A bar cross product B bar is nothing but I cap, right, J cap, K cap, and then the coefficients of A bar will be in the second row. So 1 minus 7, 7. Then the coefficient of B bar will be in the third row. So 3 minus 2, 2. Okay. So what you will get, I cap times 2 times minus 17 is minus 14, minus 2 times 7 is plus 14, right? Then minus j cap times 2 times 1 is 2 and minus 3 times 7 is 21. Then plus k cap times minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 and minus 3 times minus 7 will be plus 21. Okay. So what you will get here is 0 I cap, then you will get minus 19 j cap and then plus 19 k cap, right? Here it is minus of minus 19, so plus 19. So this will be equal to 19 j cap plus 19 k cap. Now we have to find the magnitude of the vector. So we have to write magnitude cross product A bar B bar. So what you will get here? So root of 0 square, because coefficient of I cap is 0. So 0 square plus 19 square, right, plus 19 square. So what you will get here is root of 19 square plus 19 square is 2 times 19 square, right? So this implies magnitude of A bar cross product B bar is equal to root of 2 you will get here, and then root of 19 square is 19, so 19 root 2 you will get. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So second problem, find the unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A bar plus B bar and A bar minus B bar, where A bar is 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap and B bar is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay. So first what we have to do is we have to evaluate these two vectors. Okay. And then we have to find the unit vector perpendicular to both of them, right? So first of all we have to find A bar plus B bar. So this is simple, 3 I cap plus I cap is nothing but 4 I cap, then plus 2 j cap plus 2 j cap is nothing but 4 j cap, then plus 2 k cap minus 2 k cap will be 0 k cap. Then we have to find A bar minus B bar. So this will be equal to 3 I cap minus I cap is 2 I cap, then 2 j cap minus 2 j cap is 0 j cap, and 2 k cap minus of minus 2 k cap, that is 4 k cap. Okay. So these two vectors you have. Now if you draw these two vectors like this here, this is A bar plus B bar and this is A bar minus B bar. Okay. So the vector which is perpendicular to both of them will be like this here. So the vector will be in this way, right? So these two vectors are perpendicular to this vector. So how to find this vector? You know that a vector which is perpendicular to two given vectors is nothing but cross product of the given vectors. Okay. So we have to find the cross product of the given vectors. So that is A bar plus B bar cross product A bar minus B bar, and by definition it is determinant I cap j cap, k cap, right? Then coefficients of a bar plus b bar, that is nothing but 4, 4, 0. And then in the third row it is coefficients of a bar minus b bar. So 2, 0, 4. Okay. So this will be equal to I cap. Then 4 times 4 will be 16 here. Minus 0 times 0 is 0. Then minus j cap. So 4 times 4 is 16 and minus 2 times 0 is 0. And then plus k cap times 0 times 4 is 0. Minus 2 times 4 is 8. So what we will get here is 16 I cap. Then minus 16 j cap. Minus 8 k cap. So this is a vector which is perpendicular to both a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar. So that we will write it here. So a vector perpendicular to both a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. But we have to find the unit vector. So how to find the unit vector? Unit vector is obtained just by dividing the vector by its magnitude, right? So unit vector perpendicular to both a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar is this 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap, the whole divided by root of 16 square plus minus 16 square, right? And then plus minus 8 square. So that is nothing but 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by root of 16 square is 256. So 256 plus 256 plus 8 minus 8 square is 64, right? So if we take the sum of 256 and 64, what we will get? 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so what we will get is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap, the whole divided by root of 576. Okay, so you will get 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by root of 576. How to find? So 576 factors we have to find. So 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 8 is 16, 16. Okay, then 1 remains, so 2 8s are 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, and 12 are 144. 12 1 is 12. So what you will get here is the root is what now? 2 times 12, that is 24, right? So 16 I cap divided by 24 minus 16 j cap divided by 24 and minus 8 k cap divided by 24, right? So what you will get here? 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So that is 2 I cap by 3 minus again 2 by 3 j cap, and 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So minus 1 by 3 k cap. Okay, so this is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.